Hello and welcome. My name is Nik Sheen and I'd like to introduce you to the world of eye healthcare. All eye healthcare professionals in this building have several things in common. Firstly, as you've probably guessed from the name, we all deal with some aspect of examining eyes. Secondly, of course, those eyes belong to people, so there is person-centred care involved as part of the job. If you like working with people and the thought of examining eyes doesn't put you off, then maybe you'll find a career in this building that would suit you. All eye healthcare professionals tend to rely on each other to some extent to deal with different parts of eye care, so it's a close community of professionals. Here in this building you'll also find those healthcare professionals, eye care professionals, such as dispensing opticians, contact lens opticians, orthoptists, or other optometrists like me. I'm an optometrist. And optometrists work in practice. We see all different ages of people, from very young children to older adults and everybody in between. You'll meet another optometrist in this building, so I won't talk too much about my role and what we do. But it's fair to say there are now a wide range of different jobs and careers you can have as an optometrist. Some examples include working in private practices, providing NHS examinations, working in hospitals, working in strategic roles in healthcare in the NHS, for example, and that's what I do, or even owning your own optometry business, your own high street practice. Optometry has advanced a lot in the last 10 years, and we deal more and more with looking after people with eye problems. That includes things like monitoring and managing eye disease or eye problems. And often we prescribe eye drops for all sorts of eye conditions. As part of a practice, you'll also be with a team of people, and often that includes dispensing opticians and contact lens opticians, which you'll hear about in other parts of this building. Finally, I'd just like to say it's a hugely rewarding profession, as all the professions are in this eye healthcare building. It has good working hours and the salaries are pretty good too. You will be part of a team in whichever area you decide to go into, and that's really rewarding. I guess the most rewarding part is that you really do help people to improve their eyesight or help them manage any eye disease or get the best out of the vision they have. And really that is the best part of the job for me. I hope you enjoy exploring and I hope to see you soon.